Hi guys, welcome to part 3. I know it's been a while since I posted. So the back suspension's on, the exhaust is on. I'm not too happy with the clearance on the back bumper, but it's on for now anyway. Well patch there, just finished that. The piece that came out of it, there's a little bit more filler than I wanted to put in here, but it's the contour I'm trying to get back. Over here, so I ground the wing down and it's not too bad. So what they've done is they've just, two spot welds pretty much. I'm going to zap it all the way up, all the way along. And then they didn't seal it from behind either. So I'll seal it from behind, tiger seal, and zap that all the way along. Just about to do that now. Yeah. What else have I been doing? Not a lot really. I tiger sealed up in there from front and behind just to stop any moisture gathering. I've done no more with that, but it's not looking too bad. I do have skirts to go on whenever I get round to it. And yeah. Okay, I've sealed it up. Obviously I've got to put some filler over the top. Found that behind the wheel well. What I believe to be a glow stick. It's been a raver's car. Yeah, so bit of filler and then tiger seal the back. There's not much I can do about that gap, but I'll get plenty of tiger seal in there. And that's that. What next? Battery tray is on my list of things to do. It's obviously leaked because it was all powdery under here. Yeah, don't know if it needs a full tray, don't know yet. So I'll get that done and then I'll move on to the tray. Okay, so there's a bit of filler and first coat of paint on the wing. Obviously, that's still got to be flatted back. I can see the ripples in the paint. Bit of paint on here as well. It's not looking too bad. Should be alright when we get the stone chip on the under part. I might just tidy it up a little bit. You can see how the contour's not quite right there, but anyways, battery tray. So this is the battery tray. I think this is the last bit of rot that I know about anyway. So it's looking good for time frame at the moment. I'd like to get it on the road for the end of August. Yeah, that's the battery tray. Now that's my finger under the through the front wheel arch, which means 2 inches from there, that's where the rust is. Under here, it looks pretty good and it feels pretty solid. I'll peel that back, grind that down and see what I'm working with. I've obviously got to get all this out of the way. Oh, it's already loose. Looks like someone's tried putting a bit of some protective stuff on here, so they must have noticed it was going at some point. Very thin. Yeah, Looks like a rodent's been living in here as well at some point. I'm gonna get the hoover, suck it all out, blow it all out, get the grinder to it. Okay guys, we're back. It's pretty bad, to be honest. This top bit, I know it doesn't look great, but this bit here is pretty solid. You know, I've hit it with the hammer. It seems to be where it meets this. So whether this can be saved or not, I don't know. But the back bit is gone. Looks like someone's tried to, you know, stop it, prevent it, stop the water getting in. There's probably some holes here somewhere. Yeah, like that bit's not rotten either. That I know of. So I wonder if I could cut down here, stitch it to that bit, rather than cutting it all out. I don't know. I do have another one here. I bought this ages ago. I think it cost about £10. So that would be a good sort of. Then again, I wouldn't grind it down. Yeah. I suppose I've got to put it all in, really. I don't know. That'd be good welded from the back. So where that line is there, weld it from the back. Obviously the downside, all the interior's got to come out, but I don't know if you remember last time, it is grotty in there. So it'd be a good excuse, you know, give it a good deep clean. But this concludes part 3. I'm gonna get stuck into cleaning that tray up, tidying these little bits up now. Yeah, if you've got any ideas on whether I should put it all in, let me know. I suppose I've got to take the back, got to take the dash out really, and see where it meets at the back. Yeah. I suppose the more I put in, the better really. Anyways guys, thanks for watching.